This week on TJP News, what's all the buzz in robotics? An extreme virtual makeover. And burgers in 3D. I'm Jeff Hopkins. Let's take a closer look at the top stories from the startup nation. There's a lot of buzz around Israeli AI startup Beewise, who is using robotic beehives to save global bee populations. The Bee Home is an automated, autonomous beehive that monitors and cares for bees 24/7. This solar-powered converted container brings together robotics, artificial intelligence, imaging, a software platform, and a mobile application to monitor and care for honeybees around the clock. The device can house up to 24 bee colonies and automatically controls for climate and humidity conditions, detects and eliminates pests and parasites, identifies when a colony is preparing to swarm, sends alerts when human intervention is needed, and even harvests the honey bees produce. Beewise says round-the-clock monitoring care for honeybees will make a world of difference in protecting pollinators, the global food supply, and agriculture. From hive makeovers to virtual home makeovers, Herzliya-based app maker Playtika has purchased Reworks for up to $600 million. Reworks is the maker of the popular design entertainment app Redecor, which in the 18 months since its launch has grown to become the #2 design entertainment app. This category appeals to a similar demographic to that of Playtika's existing 36 million monthly active users. Playtika co-founder, CEO, and chairman Robert Anticol is optimistic and says that Reworks' talented team will enable them to build new apps in-house to drive future organic growth across the broader digital entertainment and app ecosystem. I'm hungry. Please print me up a burger? Save or Eat, the Israeli company that developed a smart robot chef that uses 3D printing technology and a plant-based formula to create meatless alternatives, announced that it has signed a deal to launch a pilot program in the U.S. This pilot includes installing Save or Eat's robot chef system and its first product, a plant-based burger, within kitchens in colleges and universities across the U.S. The pilot, which is expected to go into effect next year, is the first step towards the company's plan to be commercial by 2023 and launch its solution within the food service market in the U.S., focusing on a younger audience that is more adaptable and open to exploring new technologies. This population is considered early adopters, and about 47% of them identify as flexitarians, a cross between full vegan and vegetarian, with the ability to enjoy animal products every so often. No word on whether you can 3D print a side of fries or a milkshake too. Let's just hope the D in 3D burger stands for delicious. Are you interested in investing in Israel and the startup nation? TJP is the perfect investment vehicle. Visit thejerusalemportfolio.com for your stake in Israel's booming economy.